इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another exciting Sunday episode of Business Opportunity over Chai webinar series. Entire Franchise India team welcomes you to this special webinar. Franchise India is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company since 1999, and we have an absolute authority on franchising, licensing, retailing, and real estate. We truly claim that no one sells more business than us because we have helped thousands of investors in selecting the right business opportunity with us. And we have helped numerous organizations internationally and nationally in their expansion. Through our dynamic media and service platform, we cater to investors across all industries and categories like F&B, education, retail, fashion, health, beauty, wellness, etc. We welcome our management team, and today's webinar is hosted by both of them. We welcome Gaurav sir as well as Sonia ma'am. They'll be sharing their word of caution and industry prospects during the course of the webinar. Our aim is to represent the brand. We do not endorse any brand. The brand which we are presenting today is a big distribution opportunity, and it is our privilege to welcome Mr. Yugvinder Singh, who is going to talk about this great opportunity. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. We are ready for your presentation, but before that, I would like to request my colleague Dheeraj to play a small video on your brand.
Men Will Be Men, Seagram's Imperial Blues Super Hits music CDs.
When you look at me, what do you see? Do you see what I've built? Or do you see what I've left behind? What I will create? When you look at me, what you really see is my life, my pride. And I've earned it. Blender's Pride Fashion Tour. My life, my pride.
Thank you so much, Dheeraj. Thank you so much, sir, for joining in. Over to you. We are ready to understand how we are looking out super stockist as well as bottling manufacturing partners across India. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank Gaurav sir, Sonia ma'am, and Archana for giving me the platform to represent our brand to the investors. Basically, it's a bottled water opportunity, both in the category mineral water and the packaging water. We are looking for the pan India basis bottling plant and super stockist for North India. Let me brief you about the company. The company is Pernod Ricard. The company belongs to France. They have a subsidiary in India named as Pernod Ricard India Private Limited. They have some Indian brands. These are the Handle Piper, Royal Stag, Imperial Blue, Blend Sprite. They are looking for the brand extension in these product only. For these, we coming up with the Imperial Blue packaging water and Blend Sprite natural water. The blenders, we are the only company in the beverages category who are providing so much promotional material to boost up the sales. Recently, we received around 150 Visi-Cooler for the free distribution across the market. No company in the Indian market beverage sector giving so much promotion, so much activities for the promoting the product. So let me share you some slides over here. We are looking for the super stockist for North India. These are product category. In Blender Sprite, we have three segments. One is 1 liter, 500 ml, 250 ml. In Imperial Blue, we also having three variants: 1 liter, 500 and 250 ml. Coming soon is our soda water and the 2 liter segment, which is about to get entered into the market in 15 days. We are looking for the super stockists across North India who are having 1200 to 1500 square feet of area. All the operations is managed by the company, that is us, whether it's a primary sales or the secondary sale. We take care of everything. Initially, they have to provide us a space along with the raw material. So there's an investment solicited 40 lakh in which we are giving you the goods. There's a commission of 3% of the billing amount. All the expenses are taken care of by our company, whether it's salaries, whether it's wages, whether it's outward trades. We are appointing super stockist over that basis that the territory should have the potential of 50 to 60 lakhs per month. As we are talking about the packaging water, so it's not a big amount in terms of the sale we are quoting. So everything apart from this is taken care by the company, whether it's a primary sales, secondary sales. And if we look into the margins for the 1 liter, we are talking about the Imperial Blue. For 1 liter, distributor price is 90 rupees. The bottle comes around 7.5 rupees. For 500 it is 95, and for 250 ml it's 85. That's 3.54. Rate are very competitive if you are comparing with other brands, prevailing brands in the market. Along with this, we also providing the promotional support to the retailers, to the distributors. We are giving the sales support, continuous sales support to boost up the market. This, all the things we already share with the franchisee India for that thing. Archana, that's a proposal from my side.
Yeah, Devendraji, would you want to discuss also on the distribution and also on the bottling plant opportunity at this stage?
Yeah, we also having a bottling unit requirement across India. Let me share the thing also. Bottling facilities available for the Imperial Blue for Pan India basis. We assign a bottler in a state for exclusively manufacturing of our product, that is Imperial Blue as well as the Rostec packaging water. So it is up to the territory that where we are going to launch that product. In that case, the space is required in 15,000 square feet, and there should be cover space of 8,000 square feet for the machine area. Investment is roughly around 2.5 CR. Land can be commercial, can be industrial, or it can be converted into the commercial. Prospective bottler should have a fully automatic unit for the packaging water, and the projection, we will provide you the quarterly basis that what projection we required. We provide you all the raw material, all the other things like the mold, change part, everything. There's an MG from our side that 50,000 cases we will lift in a month. And along with that, we give you the 20 rupees conversion charges for each cases. And all the responsibilities, whether it's the ATL, BTL, or the sales, will be from the company side. The distributor price list is the same what we shared the earlier.
Are we done, Yadvinder ji, or are we still going ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We have done.
So that was very quick and very precise, and I will start maybe giving a brief on the opportunity to all our viewers. Friends, we're talking about this company called Pernod Ricard, which is a French company which was founded in 1975, and through their Indian subsidiary, the BCCPL has a master license for Pan India for appointing and which includes two opportunities that we're discussing today. One is that of a super stockist, and this opportunity is available only for north of India, which includes states like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, UP, and also Delhi NCR. Yadvinder ji, would that also be part of it?
Yes,
Delhi as a so these are the 5 big states of India, which will be where super stockist opportunity is available with an investment of 40 lakhs in total, which is also refundable, which will also bear a monthly interest of close to 1%, which translates to close to about 12% of annual interest on the business. And the duration of this contract is 5 years, and the average commission on the product would be 3%, which will come to the super stockist. And the second opportunity that we're talking about is that of a bottling partner, where the investment is close to 2.3 crores. Here also the initial term of the agreement is 5 years, and we're looking for an opportunity which is pan India. And I'll take if I've missed out something, Yadvinder ji, you can come back and maybe talk in between. I'll take a lot of questions which have come, and before I take that, I will also set a perspective for all our listeners who are here, little bit on the bottling industry and the opportunity that we see today. And so bottled water industry is one of the most thriving markets in the country, which has been generating a lot of new opportunities for investors. And while the bottled water as industry came into existence in early 1900 in the Western countries, it came to India in early or mid, I would say mid 1970s. And over the years, we have witnessed that the demand for consuming mineral water has seen an uptake, and which has also increased the number of brands today which are providing mineral water opportunity. And I think 2019, the overall water bottle market was valued at close to 24 billion, where most of the part of the valuation obviously has been on the unorganized side. So the industry is very fragmented, with several regional as well as national brands today which have presence in the Indian market, and close to 5,700 odd license brands which are registered today with the BIS. So Yadvinder ji, I'll start with certain questions, and I will also request all our audience who has interest in locations, you can mention your city where you're from, and also the opportunity that you wish to take. So Yadvinder ji, I'll start with my first question. What is our current distribution structure at this point in time as we speak? And also if you want to give some reference of your association with the Indian subsidiary. So while people understand the brand, but if you can also talk about your company's experience and also the current distribution network which has been created so far.
Yeah, ma'am, presently we are working in Delhi NCR from last 1.5 years, and we initiated our operation in July last year. And right now we are penetrating some part of the Rajasthan, some part of UP, some part of Delhi. And when we are confident enough that now we get the repeat order from the distributors, from good feedback from the end consumer, then we decided to go ahead further. So presently, both the brand and we both thought that initiate with a small territory and then go further into the different territories. So when we both are confident, brand as well as us, that now we are ready to penetrate or expand pan-India business, then we approach to the different companies or different prospective persons that, okay, let's build a team to distribute it much smoother way. Right now, we have a manufacturing facility at Bhiwadi, and in 15 days, we get to about start our operation in Bahadurgarh, that's near Delhi NCR. For Blenders Pride, it's manufactured at Baddi, Himachal, and from there we are feeding across India in Blenders Pride. So the company is also very aggressive toward the expansion, and so also we are. I just give you some a small example.
Sure.
When we start in the last year, July to up to December, we distributed promotional material in tune of the 10 lakh rupees into the market of free of cost. So company is taking very seriously, apart from the liquor, although their main business is the liquor, but they are also be very interested in the bottling, the packaging in water. So I am giving you an example that if we are talking about the billing part, so all the billing of water is come from the Pernod Ricard India Private Limited, that is Seagram's. So no other company, liquor industry in India is involved in the billing process, whether it's a Kingfisher, whether it's a McDowell, whether it's a Foster's, you take any name of the brand, no liquor company is directly involved in the water business. It's just you can say surrogate advertising kind of thing for them. But for the Pernod Ricard, they are aggressively or actively involved in all these things.
Right. And yeah, Tanmay, I'll take some questions with respect to first, let's talk about Super Stockist. And I have a lot of questions which I'm seeing as far as bottling partnership is concerned. So we'll take some questions from there. But let's start with Super Stockist to understand, because we talked about an investment of 40 lakhs and also a lot of expenses that we saw on the presentation are taken care by the company. So what exactly is the role of a franchisee in this business when he partners with you? One, and is he also supposed to develop point of sales under him, or that is something which will be taken care by the company?
Basically, we are providing a platform to that prospective super stockist. In long run, we would like that he or she himself take care of all the operations. Initially, we are providing a soft corner or the basic model for the operations, because we already involved in this all the things from last 1.5 years. We know everything, that how to establish a godown, how to take care of the operations, everything. So we just run a show from them, and after once they get the confidence enough that okay, I'm ready to handle all the operations independently, then we can sit again across the table and decide that okay, let's discuss what is the incurring percentage cost. Suppose that a person, the sale at that point is 60 lakh and the expenses are about 2 lakh of rupees. So we can calculate that okay, that much of amount of commissions come over the expenses part, and let's club it with the existing commission. Suppose you're 10%, then we can club it to 3% and club it to the 30%. Then everything is taken care by them. In fact, we required not an investor, we required a serious person who can do the business along with us, because we are thinking about the expansion on pan India. So it can be possible only with a good team. So we are looking for the good team rather than the only investors.
Okay, and ideally, what should be the profile of these people who become your super stockist? They need to come from relevant backgrounds, first of all, because I see somebody even asking, can a novice, a new person can also become maybe a super stockist or also a potential partner for bottling? So do we require people from the same trade, or it can also be open to people who come with the...
Yeah, it's open for anyone. We don't require any specific person from the FMCG background or the beverages background. this is not a specifically, it's better if it comes from the FMCG, but not mandatory. This thing.
Right. And yeah, Bhavinderji, I saw in your presentation, you mentioned there's an, guarantee of 25 odd lakhs starting from the first month of operations. So
Yes.
when we say that, what is your own, because I'm sure you've been working on this project for the last 1 odd year, like we discussed. What is your own data talks about the demand within the geography? So when I say 25 lakhs, what kind of territory demarcation have we considered? And how are we actually dividing these territories? Is this based on the population, or maybe the demand or the potential in that particular area? Or when we talk about a 40 lakh super stockist, we take entire Delhi, or Delhi is also further divided when we talk about Haryana. So how are these states and sub territories further divided? When we talk about a potential of minimum, I think 50 to 60 lakhs is the maximum minimum potential that you have also mentioned should be there
Yes, ma'am.
in a specific territory. So how would we divide those territories for a super stockist?
When we divide a state, initially we appoint super stockist based on a state. Suppose for a Haryana, there's a one super stockist. For Punjab, there's another one. For Delhi, it's another. So we are taking care of the distribution with the super stockist. Suppose we appoint a person in Delhi as a super stockist. So all the distributors, if we're talking about the state, then it is easily that we can find 20 to 25 distributors in a state. And a person, if we are talking about this industry, then easily a distributor can able to sell 2,000 cases on an average. If he want to survive, he has to sell 2,000 cases. That comes easily around 50,000 cases. If we are talking about a reputed brand, I don't want to name any brand, but if we are talking about the sales figure of a reputed brand in Delhi, so they have sold in last month, sorry, they have sold around 20 lakh cases a month in Delhi itself, a single brand. So the potential is huge. Irrespective of this time of COVID, there's always a demand for the our product also with other product also. So demand is unquestionable. We can't predict that it's a 25 or 60 lakh. Potential is much more. What we are calculating or what we're discussing right now.
Okay. So if I just want to maybe say and reiterate, if we talk about, say, Rajasthan, will we have only one partner? If we talk about UP, is UP one territory and there's one exclusive partner that we'll appoint? Or UP is also divided? Or so when I talk about Haryana, UP, and there are, I think 5 large states when we talk about North India. So are we looking at only 5 partners as exclusive to be
No,
appointed?
ma'am. No, ma'am. For operation purpose also, we also divide UP in 2 parts, UP East and UP West.
Yeah.
We have one plant at Delhi NCR, which is supposed to be feed UP West, and another plant is going to be started in Sultanpur, that is near Lucknow. For UP East is supposed to be feed from there only. Likewise in the Rajasthan also, because these two are major state, so we divided state into 2 parts. In Rajasthan also, we are looking for 2%. First is for up to the Jaipur, and second is from Jaipur toward the Udaipur and Jaisalmer side. That's the thing.
Okay, and how about locations like Jammu and Kashmir and upwards of Himachal? Are we looking at any stockists in these locations also? Because we didn't find that in the presentation. So are the locations open as far as super stockists is concerned?
Yeah, location is open, but our main focus is toward the major cities like major state like Punjab. We are not considering so much about the Himachal or the Jammu Kashmir right now.
Okay. And are we also looking at putting up a bottling partner in North India? Because you mentioned you already have one in Bhiwandi, we have one, Bahadurgarh is another which is coming up, and Baddi is where we are distributing Pan India. So are we also soliciting inquiries from North India for another bottling partner, or this opportunity is only available outside North India?
No, ma'am, we are looking for the bottling partner because we are right now we are uh, associated with those plants who are already taken care by other plants also. Like if Bhiwadi we are talking about, they are also manufacturing Divijal, they are also manufacturing some other brand. So there is no sub kind of exclusivity for our brand. So we are looking for the plant who are dedicatedly manufactured for our brand, so that we can get the good supply of goods. Basically, main supply is more concerned. Supply and the operations are major things. So we are aggressively looking for the North India bottling partners.
Okay. And when we talk about super stockists, because you mentioned you're already supplying Blenders Pride Pan India, are we looking at any partners outside North India for Blenders Pride? as a super stockist?
Yeah, ma'am. For blenders side, we are looking for across India, pan India, but we are focusing towards major cities like Hyderabad, like Bangalore, like Bombay, like Pune, because these are the potential town in terms of the mineral water is concerned.
Correct.
We are looking for the distributor come super stockists at these places for blenders side.
Okay. Yadvinder ji, if you can also, because a lot of people don't understand the difference between mineral water plant and packaged drinking water. And we also saw Blenders Pride, the packaged drinking water and mineral water. These are two different names that we saw in both these. Can you maybe explain the difference between these two?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for bottled water, packaged drinking water, we are selling that in what the process we follow in the packaged drinking water, we extract the groundwater and filter it through the RO, reverse osmosis process. That also include the ionization, the UV treatment, these kind of chemical treatment we have given to the water so that it comes to be clean. That water is neither beneficial for our body, not there is any harmful effect of that water. So that water is, we can say what we are using in our home, what normally we are getting the Bisleri, whether it's any brand, packaging water is the simple tap water, processed tap water, nothing more than that. And if we are talking about the mineral water, then there are a lot of benefits of the mineral water because that water, all the qualities of the TDS, everything is as good as intact as is taken by the ground. And it simply passed through the filtration process. That's a 5-micron filter, 0.5-micron filter. We filter the water through the filter and then pack it up. So all the qualities of water remain the same. So it is also advisable to drink the mineral water rather than the packaging water. Many doctors in the Jaipur or in the Delhi area, they only take in the mineral water in day-to-day life. And anybody who is listening to this video, I'm suggesting that you just try the mineral water. Don't buy my water. Take any of the mineral water and use it for the 1 month. You find a massive difference in everything, health-wise, everything, because it's a more beneficial mineral water rather than the packaging water. But the constraint of cost factor is very much, because if we are talking about any of the brand in mineral water, whether it's Goa, Himalaya, anything, so the water is cost around 50 to 60 rupees liter. And the packaging water normally comes at 20 rupees. So as in the price sensitive market as in India, it's people are rather prefer to buy the packaging water rather than the mineral water. But the fact is that one should buy the mineral water rather than the package.
So again, Yadvinder ji, एक question जो मैं एक और लेना चाहती हूँ, which is 40 lakhs you mentioned, and Blenders Pride is what we are saying. We're looking at pan India. We can appoint stockist. So so outside North India, we're only looking at Blenders Pride as a super stockist, and within North India, we can have both these brands, right?
Yes,
So, which
ma'am.
is 40 lakhs. So,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
40 lakh stock for outside North India will only be for Blenders Pride, and while
No, ma'am.
in North India, it will be.
Ma'am, it is not
हाँ जी.
mentioned in the PPT. I have not shared the PPT yet with the your company. Basically, the investment is 10 lakh only in the super stockist for the blended side. For
Okay.
blended side super stockist, this is only 10 lakh, but I have not shared that PPT till date. So it is not mentioned there. Because the
And is it all available for North India? का North India में सिर्फ कोई Blenders Pride लेना चाहता है केला, which is one single out of the two brands. Is it option available for North India also?
no, ma'am, actually उसमें viability नहीं आती है blended side में खाली.
हाँ जी.
और हम सजेस्ट भी नहीं करते हैं कि अगर नॉर्थ इंडिया में चूंकि वी हैव बोथ द ब्रांड्स इंपीरियल और वेलनेस प्राइड, तो हम सजेस्ट करते हैं कि वो दोनों ब्रांड्स ही लें क्योंकि एक ब्रांड में वायबिलिटी नहीं आ पाएगी.
Correct. Great. So what we are saying is North India 40 lakhs super stockist, and outside North India only Blenders Pride, which
Is available.
the investment would be 10 odd lakhs. Great.
There is a different model. I'll share.
Right. Yeah, Yadvinder ji, almost kitna, मतलब, what is the ROI? We talked about in, period of 5 years. Typically, इसमें ROI कितने time तक आ जाती है? Because if you're talking about an investment of 40 lakhs and इसमें हम North India की अगर बात करते हैं, there are 25 lakhs is the minimum guarantee from the first month of operations, after all the formalities and documentation has been done and the godown has been made. So it takes that time frame, and 25 lakhs is the minimum guarantee that we are offering. तो उसमें अगर एक हम सुपर स्टॉकिस्ट की बात करते हैं, टिपिकल इसमें ROI का टाइम फ्रेम क्या रहता है, एंड इफ वी कैन आल्सो लुक एट मे बी द लो साइड एंड द हाई साइड, 25 lakhs is what we are considering as a low side, or this is something we should be able to come up to in maybe a month or 2 months time?
मैम जो भी आदमी कोट करता है, वो मैं हूँ या कोई भी हो, कोई भी आदमी मैम पॉकेट से नहीं देता है। तो जो 25 लाख मैंने दिया है वो भी मैं देने वाला नहीं हूँ, वो मेरे को अच्छी तरह पता है, क्योंकि आई एम इन द फील्ड सिंस लास्ट 20 years। तो मेरे को अच्छी तरह पता है क्या सेल्स होता है, क्या ऑपरेशंस होता है। ये 25 लाख तो सिर्फ एक, क्योंकि जो इस लाइन से नहीं है उनको नॉलेज नहीं होती है कि क्या सेल होगी क्या नहीं होगी, उसको बूस्टअप के लिए हमने दिया हुआ है, अदरवाइज उसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है। सेल हमेशा उससे अबव ही रहती है, तो हम लोगों ने कोट किया।
All right. Okay. Yavinder ji, अगर हम प्लांट की बात करें, so friends, if you have any questions on the stockist, you can put, and I will also take these questions, once we have the basic understanding on the model. Yavinder ji, if we talk about the model, which is a bottling partner, इसका क्या criteria रहता है? Because इसमें land, there's a big land which is required, and it has to be owned. We've talked about an investment of about 2.3 odd crores. So इस 2.3 करोड़ का क्या ब्रेकअप है, एंड इसके अलावा व्हाट इज द अदर इन्वेस्टमेंट, बिकॉज इसमें हम लैंड की कॉस्ट इंक्लूड नहीं करते हैं, एंड वी अज्यूम दैट द लैंड इज ओन्ड बाय द इन्वेस्टर, and we might also need some minimum infrastructure to put the plant and machinery. So what all is included in this investment of 2.3 odd crores, and what is something that we've assumed to be done as a process, and क्या इसमें हमें licenses या क्या regulations का इसमें ध्यान रखना होगा before we can even appoint somebody or agree on a location or a property to or a land to move ahead?
One thing that is required to be keep in mind that the land should be not in the dark zone, because for the BIS purpose, for ISI, land must be come under the no objection from the CGW, that is Central Groundwater Authority, because right now the environmentalists and the government is very strict toward the drainage of the water. So first thing, कहीं पर भी प्लांट लगता है तो हम लोग पहले उसको स्टडी करते हैं, उसकी जगह देखते हैं, उसको पता करते हैं कि ये CGW के डार्क जोन में तो नहीं आता है। अगर वो नहीं आता है तो उसके बाद फिर आगे प्रोसेस होता है। जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हाट वी आर कोटिंग दैट 2.5 CR, इट ओनली इन्वॉल्व द प्लांट एंड मशीनरीज, एंड एवरीथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस हैज टू बी इन्वेस्टेड सेपरेटली अलोंग विद द प्लांट एंड मशीनरी। और प्लांट एंड मशीनरीज की बात करें तो उसमें बहुत वेरिएशन होता है। अगर इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फिलर और द ब्लोइंग, तो ब्लोइंग मशीन स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द 25 लाख टिल द 1.5 CR। तो आप जैसा मॉडल में जाओगे, आप जैसे ही वो देखोगे सीडल की मशीन है, that is one of the best machine in the world, वो 1.5 CR 1.8 CR का खाली मशीन आती है ब्लोइंग की, it's just a one product। तो हम लोग जो एक प्रोडक्ट मिक्स बना के देते हैं वो इसी हिसाब से बना के देते हैं कि वैल्यू फॉर द मनी हो और उसमें ब्रांड को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, बिकॉज ब्रांड इज लुकिंग फॉर द फुली ऑटोमेटिक यूनिट। इट इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द बॉटल टिल द पैकिंग, एवरीथिंग शुड बी द ऑटोमेटिक। तो जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट है उसमें वैल्यू फॉर द मनी बना के, कंपोजिशन बना के हम उसको पिचिंग करते हैं ताकि उनको जो भी प्रोडक्शन साइड है उसमें दिक्कत ना हो, मशीन लॉन्ग रन में चले। क्योंकि एक प्लांट अगर आप लगाते हो दैट लास्ट फॉर अराउंड 15 और 20 years मोर देन दैट। तो इनिशियली अगर हम लोगों ने ठीक सेटअप मशीन्स में कुछ कोशिश किया कि हम 10,000 बचा लें, कहीं से 1 लाख कहीं से सेव हो जाए, तो वो लॉन्ग टर्म में दिक्कत करता है। तो इसलिए हम लोग उसको सजेस्ट भी करते हैं कि इस टाइप से आप लोग प्लांट वहाँ पर लगाएं।
ओके, सो अगर हम ये जो इन्वेस्टमेंट की हमने बात की विच इज 2.3 करोड़, और हम अज्यूम कर रहे हैं लैंड अपना होना चाहिए, साइट डेवलपमेंट, बिल्डिंग एंड जो भी स्ट्रक्चर की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, दैट इज समथिंग विच द इन्वेस्टर शुड ऑलरेडी हैव बीन इन्वेस्टेड और वुड इन्वेस्ट। सो इसमें अगर मैं बात करूं अपार्ट फ्रॉम 2.3, इसमें क्या लगभग इन्वेस्टमेंट और लग जाती है अगर वो साइट डेवलपमेंट हुआ?
इसमें लगभग 1.5 CR का इन्वेस्टमेंट और लग जाता है, क्योंकि इसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, इसमें पैनल है, इसमें आपका शेड बनता है, तो सारी चीजें इतना लगभग उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट आ जाता है लगभग।
Okay, so which would mean about 2.3 and about 1.5, so लगभग 4.5-5 करोड़ तक का उसके पास बैकअप होना चाहिए।
हाँ मैम, 4 तक का होता है उसमें जी।
एंड एक बात बताएंगे इसमें, क्योंकि मशीनरी इसमें कोई फाइनेंसिंग ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं या आप फैसिलिटेट कराते हैं एनी फाइनेंसिंग ऑन द मशीन?
हाँ मैम, हम एक्चुअली कोई भी आदमी अगर है भी तो भी पूरा पैसा कोई नहीं लगाता है, ना लगाना चाहिए।
राइट,
बैंक से लोन मिलता है इसमें। बैंक इसमें प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट का 60 to 70% तक फाइनेंस कर देता है। तो उसके लिए हम लोग एक एलवाई उनको प्रोवाइड करते हैं, एक एग्रीमेंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं कि ओके वी आर एग्रीड कि जब उनका प्लांट उस पैरामीटर्स के हिसाब से लगेगा तो हम इतना उनसे उठाएंगे और इतना उनको इनकम होगा। बिकॉज बैंक भी देखता है कि ये लोग रीपेमेंट कैसे करेंगे, तो उसके लिए हम लोग पूरा डॉक्यूमेंटेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं पार्टी को कि आपका जब सेटअप होगा तो हम इस टर्म्स पे आप लोगों से परचेज करेंगे। उसमें लोन फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल होती है, हम लोग उसको प्रोवाइड भी करते हैं सब चीज़ें।
Yavinder ji, इसमें क्या है कि because I think we've already started, when we received, our office received a lot of calls yesterday, and some of the interested parties already had a bottling plant. So do you think this can be a good fit for people who already have a bottling plant and they can run and produce it for both the brands or one of the brands that we're talking about? वो हम देख सकते हैं possibility?
मैम उसमें क्या होता है कि कोई भी आदमी अगर यूनिट लगाता है, जिसने लगाया हुआ होगा, तो वो ऑलरेडी उसमें एक्सपेंसेस जो करना होता है वो कर लेते हैं। अब अगर मैं ब्लोइंग मशीन की बात करूं, तो अगर किसी ने ब्लोइंग मशीन लगाई हुई है तो वो भी कम से कम 30-35 लाख का लगा होगा उनका। तो अगर हम उनको कहेंगे कि आप हमारे हिसाब से ऑटोमेटिक ब्लोइंग लगाओ, तो दैट मीन्स कि उसको 60-70 लाख और लगाना पड़ेगा। तो उसमें पार्टीज बहुत रिलेक्टेंट होती हैं, वो इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते क्योंकि ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्ट कर चुके होते हैं, उसमें प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है। अदरवाइज हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अगर वो हमारे पैरामीटर्स के हिसाब से प्लांट लगाते हैं तो वी आर रेडी टू एसोसिएटेड विद देम, वी आर रेडी टू साइन एग्रीमेंट विद देम, क्योंकि ठीक है आप ये कर लीजिए, हम आपके साथ काम कर लेंगे, उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है।
ओके, दैट्स हेल्पफुल। और अगर हम लैंड या साइट की बात करते हैं, आई थिंक वाटर, क्वालिटी ऑफ वाटर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जहाँ पे शायद एक रॉ वाटर सैंपल का अप्रूवल भी लेना होता है फ्रॉम BIS। सो टिपिकली इसमें क्या प्रोसेस रहता है? बिकॉज लैंड भी चाहिए, अगर लैंड सब कुछ भी ठीक हो, अगर वाटर अप्रूवल नहीं मिलता है BIS से, देन इट आल्सो बिकम्स मे बी अ हिंड्रेंस। So typically, what is a gestation time for put the entire bottling plant? If we understand maybe month one, क्या licenses उसमें चाहिए होंगे, and how do we proceed ahead step by step if you want to establish a plant? And कितने महीने लग जाते हैं?
मैम इसमें आइडियली 7 to 8 मंथ का टाइम लग जाता है। इनिशियली फर्स्ट मंथ हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि जो भी उसका रॉ मटेरियल होता है, जो भी रॉ वाटर होता है, उसकी टेस्टिंग होती है, माइक्रोबियल होती है और केमिकल होती है। उसमें हम लोग ये आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि कहीं कोई ऐसा केमिकल, कोई ऐसी चीज़ तो नहीं है जो ह्यूमन बॉडी के लिए खतरनाक हो या उसको अप्रूवल ना मिल पाए। जैसे रेडियो एक्टिविटी का टेस्ट होता है, रेडियो एक्टिविटी देखते हैं, उसमें रेडियो एक्टिविटी तो नहीं है। वो सारी चीज़ें हम लोग करते हैं। प्लस TDS जितना ज़्यादा होगा पानी का, उतना RO की मेम्ब्रेन जल्दी चूक हो जाएंगी, उतनी जल्दी बदलनी पड़ेंगी। तो इसलिए हम लोग प्रेफर करते हैं कि TDS जितना कम होता है उतना अच्छा रहता है, उसको ज़्यादा प्रोसेस कम करना पड़ता है। तो इसलिए वो सारी चीज़ें हम लोग टेक केयर करते हैं। फर्स्ट फेज, सेकेंड फेज, थर्ड फेज, तो सारी चीज़ें हम लोग इस हिसाब से बताते हैं कि फर्स्ट फेज में आपका रॉ वाटर हम लोग टेस्टिंग कराएंगे, सेकंड फेज में ये चीज़ें होंगी। तो सब एक टाइमलाइन के हिसाब से हम उनसे शेयर करते हैं कि ये चीज़ें आपको करनी होंगी, ये हम लोग करेंगे। सब चीज़ें उसमें डिफाइंड होती हैं मैम, इसलिए।
एंड इसमें अगर हम समझे टिपिकल इसमें, बिकॉज ये प्लांट आल्सो हैज लॉट ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस काफी होते हैं, तो इसमें क्या क्या हमारे ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं प्लांट को रन करने के लिए, एंड क्या खर्चा लगभग आ जाएगा ओवर एंड अबव व्हाट वी हैव इन्वेस्टेड ऑन एन एवरेज? अगर मंथली हम समझे ऑनगोइंग एक्सपेंस, यूटिलिटी काफी इसमें ज्यादा होती है which is high because process, purifying and bottling is expensive. So इसमें यूटिलिटी हमारा कितना आ जाता है, क्या खर्चा रहता है लगभग इसमें ऑनगोइंग?
मैम अगर मैं बात करूँ 90 BPM की यूनिट की, तो 90 BPM का यूनिट अगर बेचने की टेंशन नहीं है, तो 90 BPM के यूनिट का मतलब है कि आप उससे मंथली लगभग 1 से 1.5 लाख पेटी बना सकते हैं। केसेस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट केसेस। केस में 1 लीटर में 12 बॉटल होती हैं, आधा लीटर में 20 होती है, इस टाइप से। तो जो ओवरहेड आते हैं एक प्लांट के 90 BPM की यूनिट को अगर 2 टाइम भी रन करते हैं तो हार्डली वो 10 लाख रुपीज़ आता है मैक्सिमम पर मंथ का, जिसमें सैलरी है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, वेजेस है, BIS की टेस्टिंग्स हैं, कुछ रिपोर्ट्स हैं, सब चीज़ें मिला के। तो उसके हिसाब से अगर बात करेंगे अगर इसका फुल टाइम अगर चलता है तो उसमें आदमी का जो ROI है वो 1.5 से 2 साल में निकल के आ जाता है। लेकिन हम लोग उसको बहुत नेगेटिव लेके चलते हैं कि मान लीजिए हम लोग 50% ही चला पाते हैं, तो भी हम लोग 3.5-4 साल में उसको निकाल लेते हैं बाहर। प्लस हमारे साथ क्या है कि अगर वो हमारे साथ एसोसिएट होते हैं तो कुछ ब्रांड्स हैं लेकर के जो नहीं बना सकते, वो अदरवाइज वो बेली बना सकते हैं, वो पतंजलि बना सकते हैं। तो हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि जो भी यूनिट सेटअप करते हैं उनका फुल कैपेसिटी पे यूनिट रन हो जाए। तो हम लोग कमिटमेंट नहीं करते इतने बड़ा, क्योंकि होता क्या कि जब एक बार कोई काम शुरू करते हैं तो हमें मिलना पड़ता है, बार बार पार्टी से फिर अक्रॉस द टेबल बात होती है। तो अगर हम उनको 2 चीज़ का फायदा बताएं और 4 चीज़ का हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, रादर देन हम 2 बताएं और फिर वो कहे कि मैं तो फंस गया, ये सारी चीज़ें, तो वो सब हम नहीं चाहते हैं। इनफैक्ट अभी वो बात मेरे से कर रहे हैं BCCPL से, पर लॉन्ग रन में जो भी उनकी डीलिंग होती है वो सारा पनोरिका से होती है, पनोरिका वाले कंसल्टेंसी देते हैं, सारी चीजें शीघ्रम की तरफ से उनको होता है, तो इसलिए उसमें कोई
Okay.
वरीड वाली चीज नहीं रहती है कि वो कर रहे हैं इस चीज को।
एंड यागविंदर जी, क्वेश्चन जो मैं देख भी रही हूँ, बिकॉज हमारे एग्रीमेंट्स जो होंगे ये सिर्फ आपकी कंपनी के साथ होंगे इन्वेस्टर्स के, बोथ इन केस ऑफ अ बॉटलिंग प्लांट एंड दैट ऑफ अ सुपर स्टॉकिस्ट, या ये ट्राई पार्टी एग्रीमेंट्स रहते हैं जहाँ पे द कंपनी भी एज यू एज अ मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी एंड द इन्वेस्टर, ये तीनों का एग्रीमेंट साथ में रहता है?
मैम ट्राई पार्टी एग्रीमेंट नहीं होता, एग्रीमेंट सिर्फ मेरे और पार्टी के बीच में होता है, ऑल्दो पनोरिका उसमें इन्वॉल्व रहती है डे वन से, क्योंकि अप्रूवल भी प्लांट का वही लोग देते हैं, उन्हीं की क्वालिटी की टीम देखती है, सारी चीजें वो करते हैं। इनफैक्ट लेवल पे जो नाम आएगा उसमें 2 नाम आएंगे सिर्फ, एक उस बॉटलिंग यूनिट का आएगा जो उसको बनाएगा, और सेकंड पनोरिका का आएगा।
ओके,
तो उसमें इन्वॉल्व हर तरीके से पनोरिका रहता है, लेकिन लीगली एग्रीमेंट्स में वो कहीं पर भी कहीं इन्वॉल्व नहीं होते,
ओके,
बिकॉज ये कंपनी जो है वो उनका मेन फोकस एक तो मेन बिजनेस नहीं है लिकर का, और वो डायरेक्टली हर पार्टी से इन्वॉल्व नहीं होना चाहते, इसलिए उन्होंने जो मेरे साथ एग्रीमेंट किया है, उन्होंने मेरे को साइन किया है कि मैं उनके बिहाफ पे एग्रीमेंट्स कर सकता हूँ, उनके बिहाफ पे साइन कर सकता हूँ, वो सारी चीजें मेरी, जब भी कोई पार्टी अगर आगे बढ़ने के लिए एग्रीड होते हैं तो हम सारी चीजें उनसे शेयर करेंगे, जो हमारा एग्रीमेंट है उसमें सारी उन लोगों ने अथॉरिटी हम लोगों को दिया हुआ है इस चीज के लिए।
okay. Yaghvinder ji, I'll start taking some questions, and I also have Mr. Gaurav Arora, who's also our business head for Franwork, who will also be leading this project. And I will request Gaurav, agar aap bhi kuch questions, because we have a big list of questions which I'm seeing. I'm not too sure if we can answer all of them, but kuch questions
Right.
main lungi, and maybe for you can also check kaun se aise questions hai which are kind of important, and we can take it up with Yaghvinder ji. अच्छा यागविंदर जी, अगर हम इसमें इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द बॉटलिंग प्लांट, इसमें एवरेज मार्जिन्स क्या रहते हैं? व्हिच आई एम सीइंग वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम आवर ऑडियंस। आई विल ट्राई एंड पिक अप सम क्वेश्चंस एंड देन आई विल रिक्वेस्ट गौरव आल्सो टू पिक सम क्वेश्चंस एंड आस्क। सो एवरेज मार्जिन क्या रहता है इसमें बॉटलिंग अगर प्लांट लगाते हैं इन्वेस्टर के लिए?
मैम हम उसमें 20 रुपये या केस उनको देते हैं कन्वर्जन चार्जेस। अगर जो भी रॉ मटेरियल होता है वो सारा कंपनी प्रोवाइड करती है, उनको खाली उस रॉ मटेरियल को प्रोसेस करके देना है। तो इसीलिए हम लोग कह रहे हैं कि अगर मान लीजिए 1 लाख केसेस की हम लोगों ने सेल किया है, तो 20 रुपीज के हिसाब से 20 लाख रुपए उनका जॉब वर्क बनता है। उसमें से मैक्स टू मैक्स 10 लाख का एक्सपेंस होता है, उससे ऊपर एक्सपेंस नहीं होता है किसी भी हालत में। तो हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि अभी अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं कि बैंक से ले रहे हैं, लेकिन उनको लगभग 10 लाख से 15 लाख उनको सेविंग हो जाता है पर मंथ बेसिस पे। तो दैट्स व्हाई मैं आपसे कह रहा था कि 3 से 3.5 हज़ार में उसका आरओआई निकल जाता है प्लांट।
मिल जाता है। एंड क्योंकि हमने इसमें 5 साल का एग्रीमेंट बोला, आपने बोला फर्दर रिन्यू भी हो जाएगा आफ्टर 5 इयर्स, एंड दिस इज अ बिग इन्वेस्टमेंट, जो फर्दर रिन्यूअल होता है 5 साल का, इज दैट ऑटोमेटिक या उसके लिए कोई अलग से क्राइटेरिया रहता है?
मैम ये ऑटोमेटिक होता है। मैं एक पर्सनल अपना शेयर करना चाहता हूँ एक्सपीरियंस। जब मैं पनोरिका से मिला, जब मैं एग्रीमेंट साइन करने जा रहा था, तो चूंकि मैंने तो अपनी कंपनी अभी फॉर्म की थी, मेरी लास्ट ईयर जनवरी में कंपनी फॉर्म हुई है, और फरवरी में कॉन्टैक्ट करने के लिए जा रहा था, तो मैंने उनसे कहा सर इसमें बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट लग जाएगा, सारी चीज़ें होंगी, और पता लगा कि मैंने 4-5 साल मेहनत की, और फिर आपने कहा कि जो है हम कोई और बना रहे हैं, या नॉर्थ अलग कर रहे हैं, या साउथ अलग कर रहे हैं, तो बड़ी दिक्कत हो जाएगी। तो उन्होंने मेरे को एक एग्जाम्पल दिया कि उनके बॉन्ड होते हैं लिकर के, जैसे सीएनएफ होता है इस टाइप से बॉन्ड होते हैं उनके फर्स्ट स्टेट में। तो पनोरिका का ये रिकॉर्ड है कि जो भी इनके साथ 85 या 83 या 87 से काम कर रहा है, वो आज भी इनके साथ एसोसिएटेड। तो कंपनी अनलेस एंड अनटिल बहुत ज्यादा कोई चीज ऐसे ना हो कि कंपनी का अपना कोई चीज स्टेट पे लगी हुई, तब तक वो रिन्यूअल में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती है। कंपनी पूरी तरह साथ देती है, वो ऑटोमेटिक रिन्यू हो जाता है उस चीज का।
ओके जी, एक मैं बीच-बीच में से देख रही हूँ, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस आई विल बी एबल टू टेक, एंड आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग गौरव इन द मीन टाइम इफ यू कैन सी क्वेश्चंस एंड वी टेक। इसमें क्वेश्चन है, अगर हम न्यू प्रोडक्ट हम लॉन्च करते हैं, इफ यू लॉन्च अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट, अभी हम सिर्फ ये टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट वाटर, जैसे फ्लेवर्ड वाटर भी है, एंड देयर अदर products also which can be launched, will the existing partner get benefit of that production one, or even if it is a super stockist, तो उसको कुछ preference मिलेगा?
हाँ मैम, वो उन्हीं के चैनल के थ्रू पास ऑन होगा, जो एग्जिस्टिंग चैनल है, जो भी हम लोगों के और प्रोडक्ट आ रहे हैं। अभी मैं काफ़ी चीज़ें नहीं बता रहा कि कुछ ब्रांड्स हैं जिनके लिए बाकी भी प्रोडक्ट अभी पाइपलाइन में है, शायद विद इन कपल ऑफ 2 और 3 मंथ्स में आ जाएंगे, जो हैंडल पाइपर में, बाकी इनके ब्रांड्स है उसमें आने वाला है। तो चैनल ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेम रहेगा जो अभी बना हुआ है, उसी के थ्रू सब चीज़ें पास ऑन होंगी।
Okay, and इसमें somebody who owns a bottling plant, I have a question from our partner Arnab ji from East India. He wants to know जो उनकी responsibility होगी bottling partner की, will that be limited to only production, or he's also responsible for appointing distributors and super stockists?
No, ma'am, their role is just confined till the factory gate. They are
Okay.
just confined to the production. उनको production से आगे उनका कोई लेना देना नहीं है, ना freight के साथ, ना taxes के साथ, किसी चीज के साथ नहीं. उनको खाली वो माल लोड करना है, that's it. उसके आगे उनका कोई responsibility नहीं है किसी तरह की.
Great. Great. Gaurav, do you see any questions which you think we should take up with Yagvinder ji on behalf of the audience?
Yeah, hi, Mr. Singh. Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, hi, Gaurav.
Yeah, so I work for Franchise India, as Sonia just mentioned. So I'll be taking care of the project further with Franchise India, on behalf of Franchise India, right? So I have a couple of questions which I can see there in the question box. So basically, some people are asking that what is the exit clause? So suppose they've done an agreement with you for 5 years, but after 3 years, let's say they're not as satisfied as they anticipated initially. So what is the exit clause, and what kind of refund can they expect, right, out of that 40 lakhs that they've invested? Because as you mentioned that it's going to be a 40 lakhs refundable deposit. So is it the complete 40 lakhs which is refundable, or you have some exit clause mentioned in the agreement?
Gaurav, all the amount which is invested is refundable. At the time of agreement itself, we providing you the PDC to the party, and there's an exit clause for the 3 months after the 11-month lock-in period. If a party don't want to continue, whatever the reason is behind that, so he can exit or after giving the notice period of the 3 months. So 3 months we take a time because we have to reinitiate all the process from replacing one super stockist to another. So this time frame what we are taking, it's a 3 months for the exit.
Okay, thank you. So besides that, as we talked about the distribution channel, so in the bottling plant, the transport, the freight is going to be managed by your company. But what in case of the distribution, right? So suppose I have somebody who's taken the stockist, who's become a stockist for, let's say, Ghaziabad, or let's say for the eastern UP. So how it is going to be managed? So he would secure the stock at his go down of 1200 square feet to 1500 square feet. But suppose he gets an order from the sub dealers in that local market. So how it is going to be distributed from that super stockist to the dealers, and then for the dealers will be distributing to the retailers. So what about this freight in between?
Suppose our super stockist is at Meerut, example.
Okay.
And we have a distributor at Ghaziabad. So in that case, what we have done that goods are shipped to the factory and built to that super stockist at Meerut and shipped to that Ghaziabad, because there is no logic if goods go first to the Meerut, then to the Ghaziabad. So we working over two patterns. First is directly feeding from distributor itself. Suppose there's a Saharanpur, we are feeding Saharanpur from Meerut. So we directly give goods from Meerut to Saharanpur. And first thing is directly feeding to the distributor, and second, feeding distributor via super stockist. So we adopted both the channels, via and direct, both the things, to minimize the cost of transport. Gaurav, is the same thing you are asking?
Hanji, Yadvinder ji, I think his
Mr.
screen
Singh, I've lost your voice. Mr. Singh, we have lost your voice in between.
No, we lost you, Gaurav. In fact, your screen was frozen. You've answered, Yagvinder ji. I think that was helpful. And, I think we'll not be able to take too many questions. Quickly, if I can just pick some cities and states where I'm seeing, inquiries coming from. Because हम North की बात कर रहे हैं, I have Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand में हमारी अभी है requirement super stockist की is one of the questions which I'm seeing, because we talk about North India. Delhi में भी question है, because Delhi आपने we saw some pictures and videos where you already have channel partners. So are we looking at super stockist for entire Delhi also at this stage?
Yes,
or Delhi का भी
we are looking for the North India super stockist for across North India, because some of the plant are there and some of the plant are coming up within 2 or 3 months. So we are looking for the North India super stockist.
Okay. And against this 40 lakhs of deposit, कितना stock हम देते हैं investor को?
That 40 lakh, we can say that in 40 lakh, we control the stock from our end for initially for the 2 months or 3 months or 6 months, whatever the comfortable position of the super stockist. Initially, टाइम तक वो पूरा मैनेजमेंट हम लोग टेक केयर करते हैं कि वेदर वी हैव टू कीप द 30 लाख अमाउंट ऑफ गुड्स और 10 लाख अमाउंट ऑफ गुड्स, वो हम लोग टेक केयर करते हैं। और वंस वो एग्रीड हो जाते हैं कि ओके नाउ आई एम कंफर्टेबल, आप मेरे को हैंड ओवर कर दीजिए, उस टाइम पे जो भी स्टॉक मार्केट को चाहिए होता है उस हिसाब से हम उसको 15 डे बेसिस पे मेंटेन करके चलते हैं। सपोज कीजिए हम लोगों का मार्केट उस टाइम तक 50 लाख का हो गया है, तो हम लोग उसमें सजेस्टिव करते हैं कि आपको 15 डेज दैट इज 25 लाख का स्टॉक हमेशा मेंटेन करके चलना ही चलना है अपने यहाँ पर।
Okay.
Anyhow.
All right. So very quickly, I'll take, and if you can say if any of these locations are not open, I cannot take all cities, but Odisha, AP, Hyderabad, Karnataka, a lot of cities we are asking if they have an option to go ahead. Mumbai, Siliguri, Agra, Kanpur, I have somebody who has an area of 1800 square feet, which he has mentioned. And similarly, many other locations. So any, even Bhopal, and so any locations, यादविंदर जी जो आपको लगता है negative sheet है या list है cities की जो अभी नहीं जाना चाहेंगे? While I understand Pan India is the play and you like to go all across, including partnerships, both for super stockists as well as bottling partners. But any location या region ऐसा कोई cluster है जहाँ पे अभी आपको लगता है you would not want to enter?
And primarily we are focusing toward the metro cities only. Preference is the metro cities, tier 1 cities, and second phase we would like to move towards the tier 2 and the tier 3 cities. But presently we are looking for the tier 1 cities only.
Okay. All right. Very helpful, Yadvinder ji. And I will request friends, we have tried and covered a lot of information, and I'm sure many of your questions might still remained unanswered. And we already have more than 250 odd questions which remains to be answered. I'm hopeful we have tried and covered many of them. And if I can request Yadvinder ji, maybe starting next week, we will need a lot of your own time to speak to these prospective franchisees, bottling partners that we are seeing the interest coming from. If we can maybe start taking up, and normally we pick up one day where we bring in these prospective investors or partners to you. But I feel looking at the interest that we have today, it might take maybe, some time, maybe the entire week and the subsequent week to bring all these investors. Would you want to give us maybe a possible time where we can start bringing these investors, maybe tomorrow onwards or Tuesday onwards? We'll take maybe time for tomorrow where we can filter all the interest which has come in. We'll understand kin location या city से interest आ रहा है and किस चीज के लिए आ रहा है, whether that's for super stockist or for bottling partner. We'll also understand locations. I'm seeing a lot of people putting warehouse. They have an area of 4,000, 1,800 and some cities. So मेरा request सबसे रहेगा, friends, if you're interested to go ahead, I will request, we have a hotline number which we have put on the chat. I'll request Darshana to put on the chat, and we'll take all these questions from you. You need to put maybe the location. Agar aapka existing, if you have any experience in this industry, you come from the FMCG trade, do mention that, because जो Blender Pride की हमने बात की है 10 लाख का स्टॉक है, it would be relevant अगर आप existing किसी business में, अगर अकेले करेंगे जैसे यादवेंद्र जी ने बताया था, it might not be that viable. So anyone outside North India जो सिर्फ Blender Pride करना चाहते हैं, अगर आप existing trade में रहते हैं तो ज़्यादा viable रहेगा आपके लिए business opportunity. And kindly send us your interest, your name, city, अगर warehouse है उसकी details आप भेजिए, किस location पे है वो आप भेजिए, and maybe we'll take tomorrow's time and maybe next 2 days time to filter that interest. And I will also have Gaurav, who is heading this entire project, to reach out and maybe fix these meetings one-on-one with you. So any date जो आपको लगता है maybe in the coming week, days which you are available and days which you're not available, and then we can have maybe one-on-one discussion with these investors. And Delhi के लोग हैं, North India में जितने भी लोग हैं, especially Delhi NCR में, I would also advise we can have meetings directly at your office. Any date, यादवेंद्र जी, अगर आप देना चाहते हैं, you're open as of now.
मैम मैं एक बार अर्चना से बात करके मैं उसको कर दूंगा क्लोज जैसे.
Right, ठीक है, because we're seeing a lot of interest, and I'm hopeful that we should be able to bring in many of them in this coming week.
So besides all this, if we can have some kind of an ROI statement which can be shared with the prospects. So before we are making you meet somebody and we discuss with somebody who is interested. So any prospect coming and asking for the ROI perspective. So if we can have some kind of an Excel and both of us can have a discussion on it, we can probably have an understanding between both of us before we pitch it. So that can probably help us to filter the leads reaching to you, and instead we filter them in probably try to convince them, and we can save your time and our time and their time as well.
So we have a ROI sheet available with us. I'm making
Right.
the same to the Archana, and she'll share with you.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much, Yagvendra.
Thank you so much.
For coming in here today. Any message that you want to give to the audience and the investors who are here before we sign off?
No, ma'am. I hope next time we will conduct it the same webinar. After 7 or 10 days, whatever the availability is yours. And I'm overwhelming with the response what we are getting from the investors and the client. So hopefully we will be associated with the right person and move forward in a positive way.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Yagvendra.
much.
And
Thank
for all the viewers, because we have a lot of applications and not applications, I'm seeing a lot of interest even from the same city. So I would request, agar aap apni profile detail mein bata paएं, because we have to select the best partner for the brand. And if that can be sent across, we'll make our job easier and we'll have these calls more productive. So request, kindly share all the information that you can. We'll filter between tomorrow, day after, and we'll request Yagvendra ji and his team to come on a one-on-one discussion with all of you. And with this, thank you everyone for coming in today on this Sunday webinar. And I will request Archana to take it over for her final closing remarks. Over to you, Archana.
Or Sonia ma'am. So thank you so much, Mr. Singh, for joining in. And I really want to thank you for all the efforts you have put in for this particular webinar. We would like to thank Sonia ma'am for all the queries. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for joining in. Last but not the least, all the dear participants, we are thankful and grateful to you for all your queries. Getting 244 queries, that shows the kind of the interest and trust you have in Franchise India. We'll definitely come back to you for your queries. You can connect with us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. That's the number where we request you to share your detailed profile, your property details, your location details. Within 1 week, we'll try to filter out your profile and we'll set up one-to-one call with Mr. Singh. You can also share your suggestions, feedback at the same business hotline number or at the different social handles on your screen to Franchise India team so that we can improve on our processes. You want to rewatch this particular webinar, all the previously done brands representation webinars submit, please go to Franchise India Brands Limited Facebook page, go under video section. All the previously done summits, they are there. And you can connect with management team of Franchise India at their respective LinkedIn ID. That's the information on your screen. And since it's Sundays always we try to give and represent maximum business opportunity. We invite each one of you to attend our Maharashtra and Gujarat show sharp 3 o'clock. We'll start with the top 10 franchise business opportunity for you. Please do not miss this chance. Join us with our industry experts so that you get a correct and complete understanding about these brands. And under business opportunity over chai webinar series, tomorrow we'll invite you for legendary brand, unique brand Pan Guys. Yes, they are into market since long. And tomorrow the team of Pan Guys would come and will explain how and what kind of a value proposition they are creating in market. So do not miss this chance. Please join us for today's 3 p.m. show as well as tomorrow's 12 p.m. show. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a great day ahead. Keep very good care of yourself. Thank you so much.
Thank you, friends, and thank you, Yagvendra ji, for coming today. Have a great Sunday ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
so much,
Singh.
sir.
See you
Thank you
soon.
so much, sir. Bye.
Thanks, Sonia. Thanks, Archana.